In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Mail in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into this process step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate your email accounts for a smoother communication experience. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Zoho Mail account. Simply visit their website, enter your credentials, and access your inbox. Once you're logged in, you'll need to make a few settings adjustments. Start by clicking on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol, located in the top right corner of your mailbox interface. From the settings menu, you'll want to find and select mail accounts. This section manages all the parameters connected to your email delivery and reception. Within the mail account settings, look for the IMAP option. IMAP is crucial here as it allows your Zoho Mail data to synchronize efficiently with other platforms like Gmail. Once you've identified the IMAP settings, enable IMAP access. This step is vital as it ensures that your Zoho emails can be fetched and managed from your Gmail interface. Don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. Now, with the IMAP settings correctly configured, it's time to switch over to Gmail. Head over to your Gmail account and log in if you haven't already. Like before, locate the settings gear icon in your Gmail interface and click on it. From the drop down menu, make sure to select See All Settings, which will open up more options for you to explore. Within the settings menu, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you'll be able to link external email accounts to your Gmail. Under the section labelled Check Email from Other Accounts, click on Add an Email Account. You'll be prompted to enter your Zoho Mail address here. Select the option labelled Import Emails from My Other Account, Poppy3, and click Next. Be sure to enter your Zoho Mail username and password when prompted, along with the requested POP server information. Ensuring your credentials are correct is important for a smooth setup. After this step, Gmail will send a confirmation code to your Zoho Mail account. So hop back over to Zoho Mail and retrieve the email containing the code. Enter this code in the Gmail verification field to complete the process. This step verifies that you indeed own both accounts and that they should be linked. Once this is done, you'll have successfully integrated Zoho Mail with Gmail. Now, all emails sent to your Zoho account will appear in your Gmail inbox, providing you with streamlined access and management. Enjoy a more organized and cohesive email experience with both your Zoho and Gmail accounts working in tandem. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time.